Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're going to start by collecting the essentials and taking the first actions now. Check iOS and app updates because many issues are version related. Once done, close the app from the app switcher and wait a few seconds. That clears temporary glitches. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is active and airplane mode is off, since network checks eliminate connection causes. If an update is pending, install it and then move on to the next steps. Now focus on fixing corrupted app data and network remnants. Force quit and relaunch first to see if the issue persists. This quick check saves time. If problems remain, offload the app to preserve documents or delete and reinstall to remove corrupt files. Reinstalling fetches a fresh copy from the App Store. If several apps struggle to connect, reset network settings in Settings. This clears saved Wi-Fi and VPN profiles, so have passwords ready. Then retest the app immediately. Finish by verifying account and system state. Sign out and back into the app or into your Apple ID to refresh permissions and tokens. Restart the iPhone to complete any lingering system changes, and then test the app on another network or device to isolate whether it's account, device, or network related. If the app still fails, enable analytics or crash logs in Settings to capture errors. Then contact app support with those details. That one clear log speeds troubleshooting dramatically.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.